In a world where attention spans are shorter than ever, only impactful content survives. But great videos, they don't just happen. They need a skilled editor who can turn ideas into impact. Meet Usama Zahid, 10 million plus views generated, with over 600,000 plus followers built.
Hey, so Usama asked me to record a video talking about my experience with him.
Hello everyone, my name is Preston Chin. I am a content creator and entrepreneur with nearly 400,000 followers across social media.
And it's been great. I mean, that is why we still rely on him to edit all of our videos.
One of the videos that he produced got 2 million views on Instagram, and another got several 100,000 on Instagram and TikTok. He's easily garnered millions of views across my social channels.
What you get: brain-tickling sound design, 3D effects that punch through screens, transitions that feel like dopamine, storytelling that stops the scroll, cuts that command attention. Your investment deserves a return. And with video marketing, the potential is limitless. I create edits that don't just get clicks, they build connections, drive sales, and grow brands.